Rapid Repair Fluid is a light, oil-free, hydrating fluid for all skin types as a daily hydrating fluid that will also fight breakouts and irritations. Rapid Repair Fluid is a virtual arsenal of skin-repairing ingredients specifically formulated to treat the needs of sensitive, problem, and environmentally damaged skin conditions. All you need to do is apply a thin, even layer to clean skin twice daily. If needed, it may be applied 4 times daily for acute conditions and bruising. Because it is cool, fresh, and oil-free, this soothing serum may also be used as a daily hydrating fluid to help restore the skin's natural barrier function and help fight breakouts and irritations. This multifunctional serum is especially useful for bruises and helps heal skin that is recovering and compromised from radiation and chemotherapy treatments, and helps repair severe UV damage, making this soothing skin serum perfect for all skin types.